Hi, I'm Greg Pope. We're here at the Querétaro Airport, and the city of Querétaro airport code is QRO, and we're here to pick up Richard. He's going to have a lumbar surgery with Dr. Mario Simone. Thank you for watching the video.
Hello there. Here I am again at Casa Marino in San Miguel de Allende, Mexico, making a house call for our last patient, Richard Wheeler, who had surgery just like nine days ago, last week, and he had a lumbar stabilization procedure. He already have some years ago a spinal fusion between L5 and S1, and he was complaining of numbness, tingling, and an oppressive sensation in his feet, both feet and legs. And with the image studies, we concluded that he had adjacent segment disease between L4-5 and between L3-4. So we did a decompression with laminectomy and foraminotomy at both levels, bilaterally, L3-4 and L4-5, and we put another screws there. So we had to take out the two rods that he already had in his previous surgery and put the new screws, L3-4, and then put two longer rods in order to fix all the system. So now he has 8 screws, transpedicular, between L3 and S1, and he's doing fine. He says that he's already, although it's been no more than 10 days from the surgery, he's already feeling better, his legs. He's walking, going up and down, whatever, and he's happy with the results. So, you know, here we are, spinalsurgerymexico.com, in case you need help. We would be glad to help you. Thank you. You're moving very well for just having like...
You should have seen me on Monday and Tuesday. I was moving like an athlete.
Can you work in the heels, please? Perfect. Now in the tip of the feet. Oh, that's great.
I do feel better. I do feel better. Yeah.
You're satisfied with the result?
Well, yeah, we're only, what, 8-9 days in, and there's still lots of healing to do, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I think that from what I'm feeling so far is remarkable.
Okay,
yeah,
that's great.
Because like, even though I've got some, some numbness still in the feet, they're not sore like they used to be.
Okay.
So there's definitely an improvement with that.
Toes up. Okay. Great. That's fine.
Yeah.
Well, I like it.
Okay, good. Yeah, and okay, thank you. Like I said, I just got to get this lower back settled down because it's still really tight and sore. But the legs are feeling different. I'm even pinching here. Remember, I couldn't even feel anything, really. It's still not 100%, but I could feel an improvement there.
Okay, that's great.
Okay?
Fantastic.
Okay.
Because I'm going to show you the CAT scans in my computer, and I'm going to give it to you. In this side view, we can see the screws there.
Okay.
You can see here in a frontal view the 4 screws you already had.
Right.
And the L5S1 segment was already fused. This structure, which I'm pointing out here, is the pedicle. So the screws should be inside the pedicle. Okay, so we did this CAT scan in order to be sure that the segment was fused, okay? There you are.
Oh my, that's amazing.
These things you see here are calcifications of your arteries, atherosclerosis, okay?
Okay.
They shouldn't be there. Okay?
Okay.
You can see there 2, 4, 6, and 8 screws and the roots.
Okay.
You see? You can see here 2, 4, 6, and 8.
Right.
Okay?
Okay.
So that's it.
Awesome.
That is what you have in your cities, and it's yours.
That's
okay?
amazing. Okay.
And
Okay.
this is a farewell for me.
Yeah.
Richard.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's been a long year, and like we still got a lot of healing to do, but just what I'm feeling with these legs, and especially with these feet, they don't feel like this anymore.
Great.
I'm amazed. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Take good care.
Okay, you as well. And I may see you again for this.
Well, we'll
Yeah.
be in touch. Okay.
Yeah, for sure.